Today I want to talk about the importance of psychology in trading. Um, I got stuck in a dark place, literally. I spent the past 2 days shorting the top. The market was squeezing me up. I feel good because I wasn't wrong. I entered shorting here, this area, with a huge stop loss because I was going to sleep. And I was like, you know what? Yesterday I lost $500 in 2 trades. I think it was my biggest loss ever. And I was furious. Not furious like that, but disappointed. Because the direction of the market, my strategy works. The move played out, but not before, not after stopping me out. Stopped me out and then went in that direction, which is exactly what happened last night. I entered a showing here, again, huge stop loss, like 50 handles. And I was aiming for this. I was aiming for this liquidity right here. TP1, TP2, and a runner. You already know what happened, right? You already know what happened. What it was supposed to happen, because I wasn't professional. I wasn't acting on knowledge, calm, patience, control. None of that. I was being greedy. I was playing on revenge. I knew, and I say, I'm not gonna trade again today, till tomorrow. I didn't follow my rules. I broke them. So that's what I deserve. I got stopped out here. I let it pick, and then this would have made my day, because this would have been $1,500, which would have put me on a break even for the week. I spent the last 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, trading little by little by little, small profits, $200, $250, $150, $50, $80, $300, and call it a day. Building up my account from 49,100 to 51,700, almost 780, almost 51,800. And I lost it all between yesterday and today. CPI, FOMC, not good. So I'm sharing this with you so you can learn. There's a say that goes like smart people learn from other people's mistakes. Hopefully, you're smarter than me. You know, these ICT concepts worked. If you want to trade in a range, it also worked. If you have another strategy, probably worked. When people say it took me 2 to 3 to 5 years to become profitable, they're not talking about the strategy. They are talking about the philosophy, the psychology, the discipline behind it. That's the video for today. My account is sitting at 49,600. I was about to reset it, but that would be like if you have a problem and you don't want to confront it, you just go to sleep, right? Just go to sleep, let it pass, wake up tomorrow, let's see how you feel about it. Nah, man, I'm a confrontational person. I grab the bull by the balls. If I lose, I lose, but with pride. Proud. Honor. Analyzing in the meantime what is going on, why I lost. Not resetting it. If I lose, I lose. If I lose the account, I blow the account. But now that I know this, I'm gonna redesign myself. I can't allow this to happen again. And if it does, it's because that lesson is not learned properly. So it needs to be reaffirmed. All right, with this, I'm gonna let you go. I'm heading to work right now. I work in a restaurant in New York. That's a job that is paying my bills. That is maybe the reason why I don't feel as bad, because my life is not depending on this money. You know? I have something that fills my heart with joy, which is my family and my music. I have my job, which is filling my soul with pain. Eventually trading will change that, but for now at least my bills are covered. The goal, the dream is to help mama buy a house, or at least help her on a monthly basis. You know, help my brothers, help my wife, help me to become free from slavery, 9 to 5, and have more time for family and my music. Keep it up, fam. Never give up. Remember, losses don't define you.